back to another video with Legit Colleen. So today I will be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro Max right here for you. If it's your first time on my channel, my name is Colleen and I make videos on tutorials, hacks, and DIYs. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. So the box is right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it.
I know you already see how good it looks on the cover, but just wait for the phone. Just wait, just wait.
This is very skinny off first view, and I'm gonna go ahead and open it. It looks so pretty. It is super big and it has a white film instead of the clear film with the buttons that tell you what every button does.
I had to put it down slowly because that camera is so thick, it doesn't even lie down flat. That's how you know it's real, baby.
Here is the charger. This is the USB-C charger. It's very new. And if you get it, you have to buy the bottom piece unless you have one already. So I had to buy it, unfortunately. It was $19.
Can y'all believe almost $20 for that white brick? Apple, please, please. Acting like we don't got 50 of them in our house already.
It's very short. It's not even long. Anyways, in here we have the SIM pen thing to take out your SIM card, and just one Apple sticker instead of two. But let's take that to the side and open this. This is so skinny but so pretty. And this is a 6S Plus. Gonna go ahead and take out the case so we compare the sizes. And look here, it's actually not that far off, but still means a lot. This is the biggest iPhone ever, 6.7 inches, love, and I got this in midnight blue. As you can tell, it's so pretty. I love blue. And it is 128 gigabytes. So we're gonna go ahead and turn it on.
I'm not no sponsor for Apple, but guys, when I tell you, when you hold this phone, it is light. It is so light. You got to be careful holding it because, baby, you might just drop it. You pay money for this and you get this amazing thing. I love it.
So I'm just gonna wait for this to activate through my Face ID. It is so pretty. I can't go over it.
3 cameras who? 3 cameras where? Hashtag new phone who it is. Come on, would y'all cop this phone or not? So I was just doing whatever they asked me and connecting my Apple Watch and all that. So that's it. I started transferring my data from my old phone and it took dumb long, like 45 minutes, close to an hour. So be prepared to wait if you're doing this.
Okay, so I have finally got it to turn on and restore. I was having problems, so it took a while, but finally on my phone. This is the new SIM card place, and this is supposed to be because of 5G. So let's see how that is. It's very, very big. I have to like average size. I think it's pretty big.
And pixels are immaculate. This quality is 4K, amazing. I feel like I'm at a movie theater, but I'm just watching Netflix, you know? It's so nice. So I'm gonna test out the camera quality. I started taking pictures and all. It's a pretty nice camera. I'm liking it so far, and it's a huge upgrade from what I had before, so of course I'm happy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Button is down there. Sorry y'all, I just had to get into the visuals once again because this phone is just too sexy not to. And plus paid good money, you know. And I have MagSafe coming on the way. Hopefully it charges faster than the regular charger, but keep watching the video. There's a giveaway coming up, FYI. This is cool. Like, thank you all for watching that video. I hope you guys liked, enjoyed, and learned so many new things about this new iPhone, because baby, it's hot. Like, I love it, and I'm happy I got it. And make sure to check out my iOS 14 tutorials playlist, and it'll show you how to get rid of that annoying shortcuts pop-up if you're thinking of customizing your phone. Let me know if you guys got this new phone, and if you got a new phone within this month. And also, I'll be hosting a giveaway since I hit 1.3k subscribers in like 6 months, and I'm so thankful for all of this, and I love all of you guys so much. And I'll be doing a giveaway of $10 and a handmade resin keychain. I do not sell this on my business yet, but it will be coming soon, so make sure to check the description box for instructions on how to join, enter, and possibly win. Make sure you subscribe, turn post notifications on. I have a new video on how to get Netflix, Hulu coming up, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you all. Bye.